Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. This is our Chipotle-Lime Chicken, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Stay tuned. Okay, here's our chicken and the marinade. It is 6 pieces of organic, skinless, boneless chicken thighs, the juice of about 3 to 4 limes. I've got salt and pepper, about a tablespoon each. I've got 4 cloves minced garlic, and I've got 2 large Chipotle peppers and adobo sauce, and I used about a teaspoon of the sauce as well. But that's set in the refrigerator for about 4 hours minimum. You can go longer, but I like to do at least 4 hours. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. A couple tablespoons of butter. We're going to let that get to be a golden brown color. Okay, our butter's got a nice golden brown color here, and I'm going to go ahead and add our first 2 pieces of chicken. I'm going to let these go for about 5 minutes on this side before flipping. Okay, these have been searing for about 5 minutes, so I am going to go ahead and give them a flip, and we'll let them sit on the opposite side for about 1 to 1.5 minutes. So let's go ahead and flip these. Nice golden brown sear, nice good sear on those. We're going to let them sit for a minute, minute and a half. Okay, these have been going for a minute and a half. I'm going to go ahead and pull these, let them rest, and I'll go ahead and get our next couple pieces in. We'll repeat the process, about 5 minutes on the first side. These have been going for about 5 minutes again, so I'm going to go ahead and give these a flip. And we're going to go ahead and finish our last 2 pieces, and we'll show you the finished product here. Okay, so this is our finished product, Chipotle-Lime Chicken. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and stay tuned for more recipe videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.